Hi, this is Todd Bolsinger. I'm looking forward to being with many of you at the Network of Women Ministers virtual conference coming up soon. I'm going to be talking about resilience, and particularly about the idea of tempered resilience. When we think of resilience, we often think that to be resilient, we got to get tougher. And what I want to help you understand is that resilience is actually a product of our formation, of the formation that we take on as leaders when we are facing our greatest challenges. And so I hope that you'll join me and many of the other speakers who will be speaking, and look forward to having a great time with you. Thanks very much.
Crystal Martin here, the National Director for the Network of Women Ministers, and I cannot wait for our upcoming online conference. I believe God has words for us that's going to grow us both as ministers and professionally as organizational leaders. This is a time of professional development and ministry impartation that you do not want to miss out on. May 21st at noon. I truly believe the Lord has given me a word, and not specifically for just us as individuals, as women ministers, but to us corporately. I believe He has something He's going to say to us corporately that is going to fill us with such hope for our future. So make sure you tune in May 21st. Can't wait to see you.
Hola mi gente, it's your girl Pastor Alexa from This Is My Time Ministries, and I am making sure that you have already registered for our Resilient Conference coming up on May 21st. Yes, it's our virtual conference. It's happening, and we want to make sure that you do not miss out. We have some resilient stories, incredible word, and I'll be coming on to give some ministry hacks. What is that? You're going to have to find out. Listen, we've all been to a place where what could have killed us made us stronger. So let's share our stories. Let's get excited. May 21st, the Resilient Conference.
Hey, mighty women of God, my name's Rebecca Mateer, and I'm one of the pastor's wives at Eastridge Church in Issaquah. I'm also the founder of Loving the Leap Ministries, and I cannot wait to be with you on May 21st at our online conference. This is such an incredible time for the Lord to bring us back to life. I can't wait to share my testimony with you of how He brought me through a very difficult time. I believe that these are the days that God is calling us women to rise up like never before. Oh, the Holy Spirit's just waiting for you and for me to rise up in all of our giftedness. I cannot wait to see you at our online conference, May 21st. See you there.
Blessings, everyone. Pastor Satis with Oasis Church here. I am here to personally invite you to join us for our virtual conference, Resilient, May 21st. This is going to be a powerful conference. It's going to be amazing. You know, we've all had those times in our lives where we've had to bounce back or be resilient from things that have tried to take us out. You know, we get to come together to share stories of how and when we've had to be resilient. So I do not want anyone to miss out. I want you to be blessed. I want you to be encouraged, and we all can use some encouragement, right? So if you have not registered, get yourself over to the website, register. You will be so glad you did. And by the way, you can thank me later. God bless you. See you soon.
Hey, my name is Brenna Holland, and I am a church planner up in northern Minnesota, and I want to remind you to make sure that you register for the Network of Women Ministers virtual conference, the Resilience Conference. You can go ahead and click the link. It is a time that you are not going to want to miss. It's going to encourage you in your place of ministry. So I encourage you, don't wait any longer. Go register now.
The Network of Women Ministers virtual conference is just days away. This is your opportunity to gather together with women in ministry from across the nation and around the world. We're going to be equipped, encouraged, and empowered to pursue our calling. The topic this year is resilience. We're going to hear from Dr. Todd Bolsinger. Our very own Crystal Martin has a powerful message for us. And you're going to hear from other women in ministry just like you who have overcome and been resilient in their calling. And we're going to have some fun too. We've got some great ministry hacks for you and some opportunities for you to win some valuable leadership development resources, plus a great announcement of how you can be connected to other women in ministry all year long. So take a minute. It's only $20. And even though it's a virtual conference, we're going to have time to interact with each other. So tell a friend, go ahead and register today, and we look forward to seeing you there.